Trekking to Lapchi. Yeah.
What's your good name?
Hello, Dawa. My name is Cole.
Oh, from?
I'm from Singapore.
Yeah. So this is your first trip to Lapchi,
Yes, this is my very first time in Lapchi.
and how you feel?
Oh, fantastic. I'm very, very grateful and also full of gratitude to be given this opportunity.
Yeah.
Such a experience.
And
I
see
mean,
they have a llama,
Hello, Lama.
interesting
He's
llamas.
always happy.
Yeah.
Happy Lama.
Very friendly people.
Oh,
right?
yes, especially the people, because it touches my heart, because this harsh environment,
Yeah.
and then yet people are always smiling, happy, and they've been living here for the entire life.
Yeah.
We are here only for 5 days, and we find it so difficult.
Yeah.
So really admire them.
And we are here. It's such a beautiful sight.
Oh yes.
And then today we get the bless from the Rinpoches.
Yeah.
Right.
And Rinpoche,
Yeah.
Rinpoche is so full of love and compassion.
Yeah. And then and then how is the environment? Because since you came from Singapore, it's quite
Yes, because it's an extreme difference, because in Singapore it's always sunny, hot,
Yeah.
whereas here is so cold. Look at the snow.
Yeah. Here, right?
Yeah. So it's very, very extreme for us to adapt to, But still, I think it's a very, very good experience.
You think it's good, memorable for your life,
Absolutely.
right? Even though it's a hardship.
Oh yes, because they open our eyes, to something that we take for granted every day. Things are so easy
Yeah.
in Singapore. You want to take shower, you just open the tap.
Yeah.
Very hot, we should sit on the aircon. Here is so harsh,
Yeah.
and yet people are always happy.
Then here no internet, no light,
Yeah, there's no electricity, no
Yeah.
internet, no Wi-Fi,
Yeah.
but that is the beauty of it.
Yeah. Then every time they use for the solar light in solar charge,
Yes.
right?
You need depends on the solar energy.
Yeah. So from the environment point of view, is good, right?
Oh yes, this is back to nature for us. Mountain, we're surrounded by beautiful mountains.
Yeah.
Wake up in the morning and then see all the beautiful mountains smiling at us. Fantastic.
So what your advice or sharing things for the upcoming people or friend in Singapore about this culture, all these things?
Well, I would think that we should, each of us come here once in a lifetime to experience it. Because when we read in books, we can only visualize. But if you come here personally, you experience it, it's a totally different thing.
Yeah, right. So you love this trip, yeah, anyway?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
And thank you for Dawah.
And then tomorrow we are leaving. So what's your feeling now? Missing hometown
Well,
or what?
I think I'm happy to leave in a sense because I'm going back to take a hot shower.
Yeah, that's true. Because they are also laughing. See, yeah, I think it's true. All are I think same dream. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
有情愿成佛。冤亲债主，所有的不足孤魂，甚至于到那些妖魔鬼怪。那如果我们可以克服，把我们的身体供养出去，那还有什么东西可以让我们去执着的？所以在四圣法，它本身是一个密续的一个修持，就是一般上我们都是会在火化场，森林、高山、海。 大海，然后修持着四圣法所以有机会再慢慢。让他人说浪马去一个，不当也许若为强那位，13年就去给娘们了，给没就给听了若几句。